Wait, crap, what time is it? Oh shit, I only have 10 minutes. I still have to get my book bag and my coffee ready and okay, yeah, I'm not leaving in 10 minutes. It's not gonna happen. I still have so much to do, bro. Putting my freaking camera on this thing takes years, but I do it for you because car vlogs are golden, am I right? It's time to skedaddle and head to school now. We're done with the foo-foo lame stuff. It's time to get down to the real part of this video. And I am leaving my house extremely late. That's very good. We're off to a great start. Just would like to give you guys a nice good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing pretty well. I'm always happy going to school on the days that I'm vlogging. I haven't vlogged at school in a very long time. Surprise everyone, I have a little twist for us. Okay, this is really not that exciting. So there's just like a coffee donut place that I pass by literally every single day on my way to school, but I just like never stop. And so I figured today I'm vlogging, so this is the perfect time to try it. Let me show you guys, it's actually really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk in there real quick. He gave me free donut holes. I never get donuts in the morning. This is my first time like for like years, not even joking. I don't know, today I was just feeling a little spicy, wanted to change things up for you. Anyways, I want to do something nice. I got my friend Sydney a donut. I got my first block teacher a donut because I love her, she's so cool. And she's just really funny. So I just felt like buying her a donut because she deserves it. Should I just eat my donut now? Yeah, I'm just gonna eat it. In hell now, so it's time to go inside because I gotta go bring Sydney her donuts if we need to have a first period together. See you guys later. Welcome to hell, kiddos. JK, I low-key like this school. I look ratchet. We're late, of course we're late. Hey everyone. Good morning, sunshine. I thought we should show you guys our project. It's supposed to be like an advertisement for a product. Are you tired of these frick boys? And then we put people from this class. There's Julian, he's right there. Tyler, I don't think he's here yet. I don't know his name there. He's the star. Late, but he's the star, but we don't know where he is, and there's our teacher. And this is Frick Boy Repellent. I drew all of this myself. I'm an artiste. Look at this. You're not supposed to use yellow marker on black or pencil because then it ruins the, look how ugly this is. I don't care. What are you doing? I don't care. You're literally like, why would you do that? Her nerves be bad.
I thought y'all was gonna be ready. Everybody come in and get me this.
We're about to take a quiz I did not know about.
Oh my god. Yasmin, can we skip? Can we leave right now?
Yeah, let's just go.
Is it a tattoo? It's a with the oh, it's here. When you said you so what is yes? Yes, it's too late. The mom is gone.
It's broken. Look at this. I can't see anything. Hello? Octavius, get your ass to class right now. This is Yasmine. Yeah, get in here right now because this project is based off of you, so you need to be here. Alright, thank you. Bye. He's on the way. Really? He has arrived. Octavius. Oh, we got locked out. Oh, shoot, we got locked out. These are the Crocs for today. Who is she? Who's that girl? Oh my god. They actually do. Look at my meeting. Is this good? It's for. Are we? Oh, we're not going yet?
5 minutes.
Say hi.
Yes.
Jeez, look at that ass.
Until after. I'll tell you when you can tell us.
So what do we do?
Alright, exactly. Alright, you can go ahead and go.
Alright, whenever we say girls, you guys gotta say what?
Girl!
What?
Are you tired of these frick boys?
Yes.
Yes? Yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Hey,
For only $19.99, get the Frick Boy Repellent.
yes. Spray. We'll get these, all you have, I don't know what I'm saying. All you have to do is spray this spray, like this. And when you do that, these frick boys will stay away from you. Why, Victoria?
Because it is 99.9% effective according to the USPHS. USPHS.
And that stands for United States Public Health Service.
So, it's perfect for any girls who want to have a good time with their girlfriends without worrying about guys.
And right here we have proof that the boys will run away. This product here is proven by Mrs. Shaw. She is one of our #1 users of the FBR, Frick Boy Repellent.
He loves it.
No more Frick Boys out here.
Girls, would you buy it?
Yes. I would definitely buy that product.
Thank you.
What about your boyfriend, Harrington?
Yeah.
Use it on him.
Oh! Why do I look like that? Ew, why do I look like that?
Okay, so how much storage do you have? Like, how much gigabytes does your phone hold? 69. You have
I can't really vlog in here because it's like really weird in here. It's very different from the last class. Anyways, it's math, so it's not going to be really anything interesting anyways.
This is what algebra does to me.
Engineering crap as we speak.
We are in drama now. Tally!
5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, is that the combination you saw? Oh my god, I don't remember.
Maddie? Is there a Maddie?
This is the fit for the day, kids. Lunch is about to occur.
Let's go.
Let's skirt out. Are we allowed to leave? All right. Oh my God. Oh. Yes. Now everyone's gonna go through it. Oh my God. Go. Sydney, go. You're halfway in there. Get your. Is she actually stuck? You got it. Oh, her butt is not gonna fit. Her butt was like stuck on it.
Yasmin, this right. I'm Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it.
Victoria, this is my time.
Hurry up, Yasmin. Ooh.
Oh God, I got stuck. Listen, let's go to my car. We're going to eat your car right now?
Yes.
We're going to Sydney's car to eat.
Because we don't really like to be in the
I'm gonna get naked in your car because I have to change.
That's disgusting.
I have to change.
Do you want to get in
my
the trunk?
clothes. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Apparently a whole fiesta is coming to Sydney's car, so I don't know how many people are coming, but.
And I low-key have candy, but I'm not gonna tell
Wait,
anyone.
bitch, can I have some?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Friends.
Hi, I just proposed. And
Oh my God.
with my mom. Okay.
Did you really?
Hang up.
I'm still on the phone with her mom.
All right, there we go.
I just want to say I really love Yasmine Bateman. She's
Oh my God, I really
great.
love you too.
And she's so
Truth be
sweet.
told.
And she's so, you know, crazy and fun.
Crazy and fun.
Hey, you guys, listen really quick. Right now, we have Katie in the back, and she's gonna scare Mona.
For a second,
Get down,
I really
Mona's
thought-
coming.
Can I have a Reese's?
Here it is, here it is.
Of course you can.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi, girly.
That was really good.
Loved it.
That was really good.
And I'm sorry, feelings.
I proposed to Katie in drama.
This is where we spend our time.
Hey, Moan, I'm vlogging.
Hey guys, so we're walking into vocal. My name's Sydney.
My name's Sydney too, but you already saw me earlier, so.
Join Girl Scouts.
Quality material.
Rope time.
I know you look.
Let me show them my chorus outfit.
Yeah, girl, look at this shirt. Yes, girl. Yes.
Wait, hold on.
Yes. Ooh, ooh. Oh, sick.
It's LGPE day.
Your pants.
For me, I evergreen. I know it's as hard in heaven. And I think of all the things what you're doing. In my head, I paint a picture. And the way you like to dress. Stop making a fool out of me.
That sounds good.
Why don't you come on over, Valerie?
Style.
Valerie, in the way.
That's your part.
Won't you come?
currently on this charter bus. We're really out here right now. And we're gonna head to this forest thing. It's been a fun Friday, that's all I can say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. But if you want to stick around a little more often, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button.